Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the T50DCD cordless staple gun. The T50DCD can deliver pro-grade performance like no other cordless electric staple gun. The 3.6 volt lithium-ion battery ensures that the tool will deliver 500 shots per charge. This gives the user freedom to use the tool in areas where power sources may be limited, such as insulation projects and larger upholstery projects. The motor drive guarantees consistent power with each shot, as compared to traditional solenoid designs, which may have inconsistent drive force. This makes the T50DCD perfect for projects that require stapling into harder surfaces. This tool has a convenient bottom load magazine with a quick release feature, a soft overmolded grip, a battery light indicator, contact safety, and staple viewing window. The T50DCD is equipped with a charger and a built-in battery. The indicator light will tell you the status of the battery. Solid green means the tool is fully charged. Flashing red means the battery is low, and flashing green means the tool is in power-saving mode. This tool works with T50 staples from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. The T50DCD is ideal for general repairs, upholstery, crafts, decorating, and outdoor projects. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.